This video series has been designed to equip the wheelchair users with the skills necessary to seamlessly move about in the wheelchair. Learning these skills will enable the user to overcome architectural barriers and enhance their participation in daily activities, productive tasks, and social roles. Keeping this goal in mind, this wheelchair skills module has separate learning series for manual and powered wheelchair. Each series contains 3 sections based on the frequency of use. Essential. This section guides a wheelchair user to learn the skills which may be required on a daily basis. These skills are essential for independence, and one must master these before moving to the next 2 sections. Good to have. This section guides a wheelchair user to learn the skills which will come into use only a few times a week. Optional. This section guides the wheelchair users on the wheelchair skills that would be used on rare occasions. Each section contains 3 levels based on the effort required, namely easy, moderate, challenging. Easy. This level will enable the new users or ones with compromised upper body strength to perform the wheelchair skills with assistance. Moderate. This level is appropriate for users who are comfortable with the beginner level and are now trying to reduce the amount of assistance. Challenging. This level is meant for experienced users who are willing to perform the skills independently using challenging techniques.